Hi, welcome to Tarkett. My name is David Goff. Today we're going to talk about maintenance, specifically the types of pads that we recommend for our different flooring materials. We have three basic pads. You've got the red 3M 5100, a white 3M 4100, or the blue 3M 5300. The most common pad is going to be the red pad. You're going to use this for initial cleaning, daily cleaning, and deep cleaning of any of our smooth flooring products. If you got this pad, you're good to go. The white pad, 3M 4100, is used for any dry buffing or if you're burnishing floor finish. So any product that has a polish on it or a floor finish on it, this is what you'll use to do restorative procedures. This is definitely the pad you're going to use to dry buff our IQ Optima or our IQ Granite. You'll find the dry buffing procedures in the maintenance instructions for that product. And then the 3M 5300 blue pad is used for the preparation of certain products to apply a floor finish before you apply that floor finish, and it's also used for scrub and recoat. So as long as you've got these three pads in your arsenal for your maintenance of your smooth flooring products from Tarkett, you've got everything you need. Thanks for watching and have yourself a great day.